Lucid's Gravity SUV to debut at Atlanta Auto Show and hit roads in late 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Before its official unveiling on November 16, Lucid's inaugural electric SUV, the Gravity, is undergoing extensive testing on U.S. public roads as production gears up for the coming year. Lucid Motors has initiated real-world testing for its highly anticipated Gravity SUV in the United States. This exciting debut is just around the corner, set to be unveiled in November. Lucid confidently asserts that the Gravity will redefine the driving experience with sports car-like dynamics and a remarkable electric range, surpassing its competitors in the SUV segment. Enthusiasts and potential buyers can anticipate the opening of a configurator and order books later this year, with full-scale production scheduled to commence in 2024. Lucid Motors has maintained a degree of secrecy regarding the forthcoming Gravity SUV since teasing its existence last November. Now, with the Gravity progressing towards production, it has embarked on testing missions on U.S. public roads. Although recent images showcase the vehicle's swooped in space-themed camouflage, key details about this SUV from the innovative startup remain limited. What we do know is that the Gravity will accommodate up to 7 passengers and feature an updated iteration of the glass cockpit, complete with the latest Lucid UX operating system. Lucid is boldly promising that this luxury SUV will offer driving dynamics akin to sports cars while delivering superior electric range compared to the current EV SUV offerings on the market. As of now, precise performance metrics are still under wraps, but it's reasonable to expect that the Gravity will offer similar power options to the Lucid Air, which boasts a range spanning from 480 to an astonishing 1050 horsepower in the Grand Touring Performance variant. Furthermore, it's highly likely that the Gravity will share several specifications with the Air sedan when it enters production. Currently, the Air boasts the longest range of any electric vehicle on the market. As per EPA estimates, the Air Grand Touring model stands out with exceptional range in our 75 miles per hour fuel economy test and fast charging capabilities, capable of adding over 300 miles of range in just over 20 minutes. Naturally, the increased size and weight inherent to an SUV may slightly impact the Gravity's range figures compared to the Air. Nevertheless, if Lucid's track record is any indication, the Gravity is poised to offer an impressive package. Lucid provided a timeline in November, suggesting that the Gravity's configurator and order books are expected to become available in 2023, with production scheduled to commence in 2024. We have reached out to Lucid for confirmation of this timeline and will update this story with any developments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.